If you want to raise your credit score really fast, I have 4 tips for you. And these are really easy and they require no extra work, and you can boost your credit score in no time. The first one is to become an authorized user of an excellent credit card account. Found somebody with a very good credit history and a very excellent credit score, and then you ask them to add you to the account as an authorized user of that account. Every activity to the account also gets reported to your credit reports, and that helps boost your credit score. The second tip to raise your credit score fast is to clean up your credit reports. All you have to do is get a copy of your credit report, read through it all the way, and dispute any errors, fraudulent activities, incorrect amount, or any information that is not accurate in your credit reports. Dispute all of this information to your credit bureau. Once this is corrected, your credit score should go higher. The third tips to increase your credit score fast is to request a higher credit limit. Since your credit score is directly affected by how much debt you owe and your credit utilization, when you get a higher credit limit, that automatically lowers your credit utilization, but also lowers your debt to income ratio, which helps increase your credit score. The fourth option to increase your credit score fast is to use the Experian Boost program. All you have to do is submit like bills, all utility bills like phone bills, internet bills, rent payments, and then all these expenses you submit them to Experian, and once they are approved, your credit score goes higher. You can get like 10 points. And the last option to increase your credit score and safeguard your credit history is to make sure that you pay your bills on time. Payment history is the most factor on your credit reports, so make sure that you pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization lower, but also avoid excessive borrowing, because hard inquiries appear on your credit report whenever you apply for a loan, and that can lower your credit score between 5 to 6 points on average. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video to someone you think might benefit from this information. As always, thank you for watching. I see you in the next one.